An RTI filed by India Today with leading Delhi government hospitals has revealed alarming gaps in critical healthcare infrastructure. The data provided shows that nearly 1 in 3 ventilators is currently non-functional across major hospitals, including the Maulana Azad Medical College and the Lok Nayak Hospital. According to the Right to Information response that covers 297 ventilators installed across MAMC, Lok Nayak, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Sushrita Trauma Centers, 92 of them are non-functional. That is 31% of the total.
Non-functional ventilators at the Delhi government hospitals. Out of these, more than 70 are at Lok Nayak Hospital itself, including those in anesthesia and child care departments. A ray of hope is certainly visible in hospitals such as Deen Dayal Upadhyay, where 25 out of 25 emergency ventilators are in working state, while in Lal Bahadur Shastri Hospital, only 1 out of 13 ventilator is non-functional.
A particularly concerning finding is the number of ventilators provided under PM Cares during the pandemic which are non-functional. At least 41 of these are non-operational. Some wards have entire sets of PM Cares ventilators out of service. For instance, in Ward 32 of Lok Nayak Hospital, none of the 20 ventilators are working, and in Ward 31, none of the 8 are functional.